Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR. Get exclusive instant access to high quality. Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR. With 100% full unrestricted use rights to use, rebrand, resell, and profit from effortlessly. Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR. Hello dear friend. You are about to get instant access to high quality Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR guide that consists of tips and actionable lesson on how to use herbs to stay healthy and energetic. Accessible anywhere. This guide is accessible anywhere in the world and can be downloaded on mobile and on personal computer system effortlessly. Educational value. The rightful educational content is shared inside the guide. No skills require. No technical skills needed to use this guide. Simple and easy to follow. PLR right. With private label right, you can resell it and keep the profit you make, and much more. You'll also free bonuses and resources. So if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. Inside this ebook guide, you will discover herbal healing basics, how to treat wound with herbs, how to treat acne with herbs, treating anxiety and depression with herbs, herbal assistance for cancer treatment, body detox with herbs, herbs for headache and tension, herbs for helping with lung condition, top 5 herbs to keep on hand, and many more. Are you still thinking on what you can do with Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR? Here are some great ideas. You can make use of the ebook guide in your projects. You can rebrand the ebook guide. You can resell it and keep 100% profit to yourself. You can start your own marketing blog with it. You can put your name as the author. You can do anything with it. With that being said, you will be getting Herbal Healing for Everybody PLR for only $15 with full unrestricted use rights for a short period of time only. You can get instant access to everything with full unrestricted use rights for only $15. So, dear friend, if you want to buy this amazing product, then visit my bio. Thank you.